Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're about to be discussing how to enable Shopify fraud prevention features. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now by default, Shopify do not come with such, you can say like safety preventions. So what you can do is simply head over to the app center or the app store from the top and search in here for fraud. Once you do that, just wait for a couple of seconds and you should be able to get a lot of integrations related to fraud protection. The one I'm gonna just you can say like recommending is we have like for example beacon fraud protection, or you can go with something with a solid rating like for example Blockify fraud country blocker, and you can give it a try to this. You're gonna have protection related to your IP address, your specific pages, and much more. So that's how you can do it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.